we headed today?
So we're gonna be heading to Teasers.
Oh, what kind of title is Teasers?
Okay, so T-E-A.
Oh, Mom. He's not in the gutters.
Okay, teaser as in T.
Man,
Okay, not teaser as in a strip club or anything.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's too early for that, you know.
Alright.
有啲歌實偷嘢呢度落，可能落住嘅，俾埋會俾18啊。
別摸嘢俾冇 credit card
Oh.
How was your flight?
It was good. It was an 8-hour flight.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So
ช้าเลย
I was watching 2 movies during the flight. I was watching Me Before You. I was trying not to choke up, you know. I was like, little boy, and I was like, oh. I think it's good. It's a good chick flick, you know. Chick flick, you know. They got some feels in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, give us your rating for Me Before You out of 10.
Out of 10, I would give it. Let's see. I would give it an 8 out of 10.
So did you run into anybody at the airport who recognizes you?
No. Well, if I did, they probably didn't say anything. They're probably like, you know? Probably. They're probably thinking that. They're like,
It's not even New Year yet.
Yeah, especially on the Fresno flight when I was boarding for that one. There was like a lot of,
Hmong
Asian people. I don't know if they're Hmong, but there was a lot of Asian people. And I was like, please don't recognize me. Please don't recognize me. Like,
Why not?
Please. Because it's awkward, you know? 'Cause it's like, you come up to you and you say hi, and then what do you do after that, you know?
Okay. Yeah. So we're going to go head out to Teasers. All right. So like we both got Monk's Blend. It's one of my favorite ones.
I feel like every time I come here, you know?
Yeah.
It's always for like, just a booking that I always have to do or a concert. I mean, I appreciate that too. It's fun, but I never actually got the chance to explore or, and see what Fresno or California has to offer.
Oh, by the way, did you and Cody ever do any collaboration together?
Oh, we try to. I mean, the opportunities that I get with him, when we have shows, like I do try to have him do a song with me. Mainly because I know that the audience loves collaborations with artists, so I try to do that. Yeah. And then, the thing that made me kind of sad was like, I mean, I'm not sad now, but my new song that's on my second album that featured David, that was originally supposed to be Cody's part. But Cody was just going through a lot, so I didn't want to put too much pressure on him, so I moved on to David. I'm sorry, Cody. I moved on to David.
I think it would be nice to do, because I feel like Cody's voice for that song would probably be really good, and I feel like you and David should do one where David should rap.
Wait, he raps? Oh, yeah.
Well, this is like underground stuff right now, but yes, David, we are working on a song where he is. This is David's song now,
Okay.
So he's asking me to sing, and then he will do the rapping and singing too. So
exclusive news right here.
So we're still working on that.
So, by the way, congrats on your 1.3 plus million views on that music video. That was really great.
It's crazy, y'all.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that. As much as there was a lot of hate on that video, the views still went up.
There was hate? I didn't notice there was hate.
Well, I mean, like, because like the audio and everything, there was a lot of critical things to which we do take into account. We do appreciate people's feedback, but there's just a lot of things you can't control. So as the artist, your part is only your part. It's amazing that still it got 1 million views within 2 months, and I'm just blown away by it. I'm like, wow.
I think that song is so easy to listen to.
And so easy to sing along to.
Yes.
Oh, good. That's good to hear.
So it's one of those songs where you don't want to like it, and then you still like it. It's like, I don't want to like this song because it's going to get stuck in my head. And the next thing you know, you're humming that song. You're like, damn it.
On my page, people would share their stories, and then I would, get ideas from their stories. I'll have them share it. But then the melody part, like coming up with the melody for this song, it was so crazy because my producer, Saya, he was just playing a tune, and then I just started humming along, and I'm like, such a and also we just got it. I'm just like, okay, that's all we gotta do. And I'm like, how did that happen? How? Like,
that's talent. That's
like,
how.
did we? if people knew how fast we got the melody for this, they're gonna be like, no way.
For your new album, are there more music videos to come?
Yes, there's gonna be 2 more actually. Yeah, so right now I'm working on one. Oh, I don't want to share the titles or anything, but yes, plan to release one in November.
So next month. Open
So it's gonna be like towards. Oh, actually no, that's too early. I lied. Middle of December actually.
Okay.
Middle of December, and then the other one hopefully by January.
Okay.
So
good birthday วันที่6 ก็ release
only a month. Special shout out to Cash.
Happy birthday. This music video is for you.
Yeah. There's one song on my new album called it's kind of people can't appreciate it yet, but it's called Love. And if you think about Panya Xiong, it's almost similar. I think me and Panya Xiong, we went through the same crap, you know. That's why when I heard her song, I was like, yeah, you and me, we feel each other.
I see you.
We went through the same stuff. I understand. So so my song Love, it features VUE Peter. So he's pretty good right now. So that one is about burning bridges. And you know, how do you say burning bridges, right? Yeah. So I used that idea. I used that idea for the song. So it's it's about burning bridges. And,
it's good for you because
exactly.
There's a really cute dog running.
Oh, you're a dog. Okay.
I'm not dog.
Cứ kiểu là kể nó tiếng
No. Oh, so you like dogs then, huh? Okay. Am I choking it?
I'm not. I think I had my heart broken by our very first dog. So I think that I'm still waiting to recover from that, and I haven't loved any other dogs ever since.
Oh no, that's so sad.
Maybe that's a good idea for a horror music video.
The dog just running. The music video will be like, you know, to Okia, because no burn bridge, and then also in transition. You know?
I wish.
Right on the street, I see it. Is that my dog? I know. Spot. Is that you? We're gonna write email to Yellow Diamonds and get this sorted.
So where's the place?
It's right at the corner. It's kind of like a small little area. Hope fingers crossed that they still have some because it's popular.
Oh, this one, huh?
Yeah.
The donut thing?
Ama, I do want to ask you too, since we do have, you know, social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, it's so easy, you know, to sit behind a keyboard and write, you know, nasty comments, you know. Obviously people do that too.
Yes.
But how do you stay so positive, you know, and keep from reacting to those hateful comments? Because you know, you share respond to that.
From my music page, I do have someone managing it, but I think the great thing so far is that I've been very fortunate that with your listeners, with your supporters, they say they're the ones that say positive things to me. They're the ones that are positive, so that keeps me positive. I haven't really come across anything mean or harsh on my own page. YouTube, yes, there's always a lot of things going on YouTube, but for YouTube, I just don't read it. I don't read any of the comments on there, so don't worry about it. Just don't read it. Just don't read it, and or if you want to read it, hire somebody else to do it.
So we're gonna make Ma happy right now. We're gonna go eat some taro.
Yes.
Red.
Okay.
Okay. More Masha Shea Kalika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Taro red.
And the lady from Doughboy Donut, Uchana, Kachimwa, Ika, a donut, put out a pain on here, like party, a bacon China, get the yaw, I'll be losing on you. Like, you more, I'll be losing on here.
Okay. Taro. Okay.
Cái kia nó kia hay lắm. Cái này album đấy cứ xí xí mình bây giờ là có tới tao đấy album đấy tiếng Việt kia. Cái này last album tới đi bây giờ là không biết không nào đó.
Yep. The first album it came out in 2013. Then the second album, that took me a long time to make. And then I released that just this year during July 4th.
Có số tần thao tiếng có được không?
Let's see. Most of them, yes. I wrote them, and then I had T. Vang from Yellow Diamond Records. He was my proofreader and my editor, so he helped me make sure that I was using the right words, right? Yeah. Because like some people don't know is that you know, I really don't know how to find the right words. You know, the right Hmong words. People think that you know, I really don't know. I'm still learning and still trying to find out and stuff like that. You know, so. But yeah, I do write most of it, and then I have T proofread it and edit it for me. Shout out to T Bang, thank you. I still remember when I got my first